Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Kami Hail Protector SUV car cover. It's not only for SUVs, of course, but in my size here, this is the dimensions of H6, and this is matches to my Mercedes-Benz GLA really good, as you can see. We have here a car cover, anti-hail thickened multi-layered EVA car cover. It's waterproof, it's all weatherproof with wind straps. This is an outdoor hail protection cover. It fits for SUV and Jeep lengths up to 181 inches. It's also on the market in different dimensions for small cars, for bigger cars, and of course for SUVs and so on. We've here a professional hail protection. The Kami hail and freeze protection all in one device. The cover is made of a 5mm EVA blend, high density, soft and flexible fabric that protects against hailstones of up to 70 km/h with an approximate diameter of a 5-cent coin. The increased cushioning area protects not only the top of the car, but also the mirrors, side and rear windows. And we have durable material. The ham is made of high-strength, tear-resistant 300D Oxford cloth, capable of withstanding 200 pounds of tension. It is resistant to folding, aging, and extends the service life of the cover. The seams are proceed in all directions for a neat and durable finish. They provide a large Oxford cloth storage bag for convenient storage too. In that set here. And we have a really cool looking unique design. 3 independent windproof straps prevent the car cover from being blown away by strong winds. The front and the rear triangular reflective components remind others to avoid accidents at night. And the elastic bottom hem makes the cover of the engine hood and car more closely. There are ventilated holes with covers on both sides of the car cover for a better breathability. And this is the H6. H6 means we have here suitable for SUVs, for crossover, for Jeep, station wagon. The length is up to 181 inches. It's not suitable for a sedan or coupe. If you have a sedan or a coupe car, you should use a little bit smaller one. An example for this, it will matches with an Audi Q3, Q4, BMW X1, X2, Mercedes-Benz GLA as shown in that video, VW Taurus, ID4, ID5, XC40, Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, Mini Countryman, Jeep Compass, Liberty, Patriot, Lexus, UX, and so on. Other certain models are listed in the product information, and you can then get the right dimensions for your car to protect it. Okay, so have a look first what dimensions your car has, and then look in the documents of this value of that product, and then of course it is yours. Yeah, 2024 new material. There is a new material, but much better, because we have 7 layers thickened cover. This is made of the latest heavy-duty PFA composite. The material makes the cover strong and durable and 100% waterproof. Snow and frost-proof in the winter, minimum temperature up to -100 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy materials makes the hood heavier, so it won't blow away on windy days. Because of its mass itself and because of the straps, of course. Second, sunproof, breathable, scratch resistant and durable. It's breathable. Ventilation openings provides a better air circulation under the tarp. Then we have a reflective triangle in the front and the rear side. This reflection will shine at the night, remind us to do not bump into our car, and helps us to find our car quickly too. And we have windproof straps. 3 separate windproof straps protect our car cover from being blown away by high winds. And we have 300D Oxford fabric. This is more tear resistant. It's thicker and more durable, preventing the car cover from tearing in high winds. And we have an elastic band at the front and the rear bottom. This makes car cover fits to our car model better. And sewing and bound hem finishes. The sewing wrap around trim is durable, and of course it makes it more beautiful, and of course much cooler. Multiple protection, hailproof, waterproof, dustproof, anti-UV, and windproof. That's all brings us that stuff here. This is the Kami Hail Protector. This is an SUV car cover. Anti-hail thickened multi-layer EVA car cover. Waterproof, all-weather with wind straps. Outer hail protection cover. It fits on SUV and Jeep in the length up to 181 inches. And if you choose H3, H4, H5, H7, H8, so all kind of cars are matches to that cover. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.